Watch your website climb the search engine results page ranks with our comprehensive training program encompassing essential on-page SEO concepts. It covers everything from fundamentals like meta tags, title tags, and meta descriptions to more advanced technical concepts. Get ready to master the art of on-page SEO with this foolproof PowerPoint presentation that employs captivating graphics and visuals to illustrate industry best practices. Download this editable presentation from the link below and get access to content-ready slides on the complete subject. Through our comprehensive learning program, you will gain an in-depth understanding of topics like sitemaps, domain names, and more. Visually engaging explanations of on-page SEO topics such as canonicalization make information retention so much easier. But that's not all. This program also offers expertly researched content on internal link building for better optimization. If you want a comprehensive guide on learning these on-page SEO concepts, download this module now. Our module also discusses breadcrumbs optimization, a technique that helps in enhancing user experience and lowering bounce rates. The end result: top-ranking pages in CRP. Plus, gain exclusive access to the most effective on-page SEO tips that no one will ever share with you. This is just a sneak peek. We have pre-designed slides on every SEO concept imaginable. Download now to unlock the entire training module. Thank you for watching.